Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2007 Subaru Outback and I will show you how to replace the fog light bulbs. This video applies to Subaru Outbacks made from 2003 all the way up to 2009. So what you want to do first, you want to lie down under the car and underneath you'll want to pop out two plastic trim screws. One will be right here and one will be right here, and by removing them you'll be able to move this plastic piece off and access the fog light bulb. To remove these screws you want to use a flat screwdriver. Just pry it underneath and push it out in the middle part. These things like to get stuck, but this is how you remove them. So you'll have to do it from all the sides until you are able to pull that middle piece out, and then it's even a good idea to use the pliers to pull it out. So this is the idea, to get the middle piece out and then just pull everything out completely. Okay, so once you have both of these screws off, now you can pretty much pull out this complete plastic piece, just like that, and now you will have enough space to work inside. Okay, so I will turn the flash on my phone now so you can see. Okay, so here is the back of the fog light, and right here will be your I hope you can see this, it's kind of tight, and right here it will be your fog light bulb. So what you want to do, you want to turn it a bit counterclockwise and pull it straight out, and this is how you pretty much replace it. Okay, now to disconnect the light bulb, there is a clip just here on top. You want to press on it and pull the light bulb straight out. I have to use both of my hands to do it, but this is the idea. So press here and pull the light bulb out. And that's pretty much it, as easy as this. So once you install the new light bulb, just put it back into the socket and put everything back together. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.